How has the doTERRA Healing Hands Foundation and co-impact sourcing helped over 100,000 people with jobs and a higher quality of life? Well, you can learn more about those awesome initiatives in today's doTERRA 2018 post-convention tour in Las Vegas, part 1, that I filmed and was a part of. Make sure to stay tuned until the very end and watch all 3 parts for all the great insights and education.
Good evening, everyone. Good evening. Isn't this exciting? I tell you what, I'm so privileged to get to speak here tonight about one of my favorite things about doTERRA, which is their co-impact sourcing and Healing Hands Foundation. So we all know that we absolutely love the essential oils. They help support our body on a physical and emotional level in so many ways. But I get to talk about the amazing people that source our essential oils. So doTERRA currently has around 130 different essential oils, and we source them from over 40 different countries. And I know, right? Let's give an applause for these beautiful countries, thank you, that we get our essential oils from. And now half of these countries are developing, and they need a lot of support. And what I absolutely love is that doTERRA looks for the best essential oils, so they have to go all over the world. And a lot of these places, like I said, they are developing countries. And so, what is awesome is that doTERRA provides jobs, they provide opportunities, they provide sustainable income for many, many years, and they provide hope for each of these beautiful farmers. And so they also, we have the Healing Hands Foundation. So now the Healing Hands Foundation goes in and they provide schooling, you know, things that we take for granted, schooling for our children, medical facilities, medical supplies, and running water. So many of these places don't even have running water. It's crazy to me. And so it looks like they're working on some technical stuff, so I'm just going to keep on going. One of the stories that I heard from one of our, I think they're double presidential diamond or something, Sandy and Boyd Truman, and I was on a trip with them and I asked them, what's the biggest impact doTERRA has had on you? They've been involved since the beginning, and she said, we got an opportunity to go travel to Haiti, and one of the things that they really wanted was running water. And doTERRA searched everywhere and found the well, the drill, and they dug this well, and normally these young children, you guys, we're talking 3 to 10-year-old children would go on a donkey and they would travel miles to go to this water source, and they would have these dirty, disgusting jugs that maybe we would have gas in, you know, dirty jugs, and they would fill the water with water, she said, that you wouldn't even wash your dogs with. And these people were cleaning their dishes and bathing and drinking this water. And this is what they knew, this is what they had. And so doTERRA has come into Haiti, and one of the things they would really love is running water, you know, clean water. And so, like I said, doTERRA went in and they provided running water, and she said they were there on the trip when they turned on the spigot. And these people were just, I mean, think about it, you guys, we turn on a spigot every single day, and it's like, oh, water, big deal, right? They don't even have this. And so the fact that doTERRA, she said, out of anything I've done in doTERRA, the biggest impact on me was watching this running water being provided for these people that have never seen that in their life. And she said, so every time she gets a drink of water, someone's drinking water now. She's grateful for that clean water that we have, because we truly are so blessed. And what's so wonderful is being part of this fantastic organization, we can actually bless a lot of others as well. So I wanted to share that story with you. Does it look like we've got stuff going, or should I just keep talking? Because I could talk. Alrighty, I got this. No problem at all. We have some really cool slides and a video to show with you, so if it's meant to be, it will happen, but if not, I've got some great notes here to share with you as well. So I want to talk to you really quick about the different, I don't have my slide, but well, we're going to get that slide in just a moment. But if we get this moving, I'm going to share a video with you about Kenya and the difference that we're making there. We're sourcing our pink pepper. And so if you don't get a chance to watch it tonight, you can just Google doTERRA Kenya and co-impact sourcing, and you're going to find a beautiful video there where they talk about how they are supporting women in these different countries. Now, many women don't have jobs, and they cannot provide for their families. And what's beautiful about this is if you look into it, they are providing such opportunity for these women, and then they're teaching their daughters to, they're able to, get their children in school so that these people can live these beautiful and amazing lives. And so check out that video on Kenya. And also, I think I'm gonna get my cell phone out because I had all my numbers on there, because I want to share with you some numbers that were on the slide as well. And because we're providing, all right, I'm gonna pull up my slideshow here so that I can share with you some of these numbers. But some of the countries that we are supporting are Haiti, Guatemala. Haiti is where we get our vetiver essential oil, and vetiver is absolutely fantastic for grounding and for sleep and for anxious feelings, so we love that. Oh, I thank you. See? Too bad you guys can't see this, it's really cool. Yeah, so in Haiti, that's vetiver, and so we have benefited over 49,000 different lives in Haiti and provided over 11,000 jobs. That's just with your vetiver essential oil. And every time you purchase an essential oil, it is helping people. So this slide says quality starts long before the seeds are planted. So in total, doTERRA has provided over 96,000 jobs and have impacted over 455,000 lives. So not only are we providing jobs, but we're impacting lives all over the world with these schools, with medical facilities, and with jobs. So it's absolutely fantastic. And something that Saimoni said was, we saw Hugh Jackman. How many of you went to convention? Raise your hands. Yes? Okay, so when they said like, whoa, were you guys like, no way, it's not really him. There's no way. And there he was, and it was amazing. But something that he said, and Saimoni touched on it, was if it's not good business for everyone, it's not good business. And so think about the things that you purchase. doTERRA is so transparent in the lives that they're affecting and where they get their essential oils from and the testing behind it. But if you go into a store and buy the things you buy, you don't know where it comes from. So I really, really encourage you to buy fair trade. Buy fair trade. And this is what doTERRA does. So we really help a lot of people. So in Guatemala, this is where we source our cardamom. We have impacted over 5,000 lives and provided 1,000 jobs. And Somaliland is where we get our frankincense. Who loves frankincense out there? 2 drops under my tongue every single day. It's fantastic for cellular health. So if you're not doing that, it's anti-inflammatory. It's great. So 2 drops of frankincense. But in Somaliland, we've supported over 211,000 lives and provided over 36,000 jobs, and that's with your frankincense essential oil. And then Nepal. Nepal is close to my heart, and I'm going to share a story with you. This is where we get our wintergreen and our spikenard, and we've impacted over 5,825 lives and provided over 1,165 jobs. So for those of you that don't know, this did not make the news, but in Nepal in 2015, there was a horrific earthquake, and it disrupted and destroyed so many lives. And in Nepal, they don't have much to begin with. They live in very humble places, and these places were destroyed. And so this didn't make the news, but I want to share with you, doTERRA has the Healing Hands Foundation, and they had asked if wellness advocates would donate money. And so through the doTERRA Wellness Advocates, we raised over $300,000, and the Healing Hands Foundation matched that, and we provided over $600,000 in relief for the earthquake victims in Nepal. Isn't that amazing? So doTERRA makes such a fantastic difference in so many lives. And I'd like to share one more thing with you, and hopefully we'll get this video playing, but if not, I've lived here in Las Vegas for over 20 years, and I'm sure all of you, since we are all living in Las Vegas, are very aware of the tragedy that happened on October 1st of last year. And many lives were lost in that tragic shooting. And friends of mine were there. I don't know if any of you are watching the news, but the Melanson family, Rosemary Melanson, she just had her 12th surgery. And so say prayers for her as she continues to heal. But I want to let you know that you guys can make a difference, because I want to share with you something that I did. And if we have pictures, we'll share them in a moment. But you guys, we're on this earth to make a massive difference in the lives of others. So when this tragedy happened, I didn't know what else to do, right? Everyone's giving food and prayers, and the mom's in the hospital, and it's a horrible situation. And I brought her, she couldn't sleep, and she was stressed out. And I brought her oils. I brought her Serenity and the Serenity capsules, a diffuser. I brought her some peace essential oil, and I brought her some wild orange. And she texted me the next morning and said, I slept through the night. And I've not slept since the shooting, and they were there, and it was horrible. And I saw that, you guys, and I literally started crying, thinking, I have something that can help her. I have something that can help. So I was able to, there it is. There it is. So I was able to connect with the Healing Hands Foundation, and I said, hey, I'm a wellness advocate in Las Vegas, and I want to help. What do I do? And they said, go ahead and if you raise anything over $5,000, we will match you. And so here's some of my team here in Las Vegas, and we were able to raise, with the help of our upline and a lot of our friends in doTERRA, we were able to raise over $5,000, and Healing Hands matched us. So we had over $10,000 in essential oils to provide the victims of Route 91. We were able to give them Serenity to help with sleep, peace to help with anxious feelings, and wild orange to lift their mood. And so, with the help of Healing Hands, thank you. And with the help of Healing Hands, we were able to provide for so many people. And here at the very top in the corner here, these are the two girls, the Melanson sisters, Paige and Stephanie, and their mom, Rosemary Melanson, was the longest person that stayed in the hospital, and she's still healing. So please say prayers. But know that we really, really can make a difference in the lives of others. But teaming up with doTERRA, you guys, I had no idea. And what happened was, okay, we're gonna go to that in a second. I did the 5,000, and I sent the thing in a spreadsheet. My husband's an accountant, so he's trying to send a spreadsheet. And they sent me a box. I'll never forget it, a gigantic box filled with over $5,000 of sleep and stress relief and anxious feeling support. They gave this to me as a gift, and I literally started to cry. I showed my husband, I said, I cannot believe this is happening. And we were able to help so many people. So that's a little bit of Healing Hands Foundation and co-impact sourcing. I hope that that's inspired you a little. Go to Healing Hands here. So if you want more information on Healing Hands, if you have a situation of people that you would love to help, connect with doTERRA, because they will support you in doing this. And so you can go to doTERRAhealinghands.org and find out more information on how Healing Hands can support something that you would love to support in your community, or not in your community or beyond. So, like I said, we are here to make a massive impact in the world. You guys don't have to start an essential oil company to do it, okay? It can be just sharing a drop of essential oil with somebody, or it can be just calling someone on the phone and say, how are you? And I'm here for you. Giving a compliment or giving a smile. So we are here to make a massive impact in the world. doTERRA is doing just that with their co-impact sourcing and Healing Hands Foundation. And I'm so grateful to be here and share this. And God bless you guys. Thanks for being here tonight.
So that was a little rough there. We had to pull a lot of the videos. It was messing with the format, but she did an awesome job even without the sound, right? And so I'm gonna give her, just for her awesome job, she talked a lot, right? And so her mouth might be dry. I'm gonna give her a brand new on-board mouthwash. Yes. Okay. So next we are gonna get right into the products, guys. We have the special treat of